Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to my channel. After a week of drying and cleaning out from that heavy rain a couple weeks ago, we can get back to doing some carpentry and hopefully getting these cabinets done as soon as possible. If there's anything a carpenter hates to do, that is sanding. Most carpenters hate the sand. And usually before you start finishing and beautifying the cabinets, there's a whole lot of sanding that must be done. It's sanding on top of sanding on top of sanding, plus more sanding. Right here he's using a wood filler to hide some of those imperfections and small notches that's in the wood grain. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.